8 in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning, and we're going to Blackpool. Me and my son are going to Blackpool Pleasure Beach. He's never been before, but I've been when I'm 20. Here he comes.
I am alright.
Have you just got up?
No, been up since like 6:30.
Have you? I've been up since about 5:30 then, fellas. There we go.
Hello everybody, welcome to PDL Show. I'm your host Cos, and today we're in... Oh, today you were just
too close yet, so you won't see it.
Today we're in Blackpool, going to the Pleasure Beach. My hands are shaking. Yeah, it was an epic roller.
You only get that bit of your face. It's not. It doesn't zoom. You've got to hold it high.
It's an epic roller coaster with epic things on it. It was so high, and Dad was pooing himself. So.
It wasn't. You were.
No, you were. I was doing definitely fake anxiety. But I looked at him. And he was like. And he's looking around going, it wasn't usually this high. You couldn't really see anything though, because the rain is just beating down. It's gotten really rainy since we got on it, so but since we got in the queue, sorry.
I'm really nervous nowadays.
We are going to on the Revolution. Come on, that's good.
We used to, like when we were kids, when we were younger, front or the back.
They're going. Let's get this. The Revolution was very nice. We'll review it when I sat down, but we're going to get Burger King. The Burger King was very good. We enjoyed it very much. And then we decided to order big ice cream.
He did.
And then we ate it together. So
he did.
We both ordered it basically. You did most of the work.
He ate most of it, and I let him finish it off. So he's telling Fibberoonies. Then he's told his cousin that I'm pooing myself every time I go on one of these rides, which is not true. It's him.
No, you look at him and he's like, I like I'm pooing myself, because I am, but it's not as bad as you. Because we get on the ride and you're like, holy, this is really tall.
Yeah, I don't like heights.
Do that in a second.
Just needs a bigger screen, really.
Yeah.
This is about 20 years old, actually. Look at this person. Forgot to bring his coat.
Right.
What a minute.
Yeah.
I've always liked it. It's like I bought the forecast.
Yeah.
That it was going to be showers.
Oh, we just did another ride of Revolution. One of the best rides here. We're going to go back on the big one. Wish us luck, guys. Like near the back. Good luck, guys. There's a guy here.
Aye.
It's really good quality for like how close it is.
It's not breaking on me, is it? Obviously, I use it quite regularly.
Yeah, we've just been on big one.
They were £100 when they came out.
It was a bit rough, wasn't it, Dad?
Yeah, I don't think we'll go on that one again for a while, if at all.
I might.
Think about your framing. Oh, this is a kids area, isn't it?
Yeah, it's Nickelodeon, mate.
Yeah, right, okay.
Do we? Alright.
Or if we're going on that thing, oh, that's down here as well.
But yeah, my back hurts a bit now. It was a good queue there. I've been talking to my cousin who's been here before. Very nice. She said that we should have a good time and that the big one is the best. I agree with that one. I quite like Revolution. It's just a bit short, to be honest. Love the little launch it does. Though I'm pretty sure Icon is closed right now, so we'll update you. We're going on the Avalanche. It's a boggin. It's
framing.
Very.
Look at the sky.
Yeah, I know. I'm just having a look around, Dad. Hopefully it'll be good. I'm not sure how long the queue's going to be, but lovely little water feature. So we are heading on to Grand National, I think it is. Dad, what's this ride called again?
I don't know.
No.
I honestly don't know.
I thought it was Grand National, but it's not. It's Big Dipper, I think. I don't know. Correct us in the comments. We will probably know by then. It's a shame that Grand National's closing. We'll go have a look at it up close. Look, we're at the arcades. Noble Knights. Are they vendors? the ducks, the seagulls. Bit prepping here, isn't it? It's grid, Dad. It's grid.
Grid? This needs more because that's where you come in.
Yeah.
You come in through this bit, don't you? So you need something to make it exciting.
It's a shame, look. Grand National. Or is it just getting repainted?
Said on the, this is the one that had the Formula 1 car. No, it can't.
I'm not sure what's going on here.
Well, it might be.
I'm not sure.
They're reopening this, you know.
Pardon?
Might be reopening it, otherwise why is it painting it?
That makes sense, that. Maybe they reopen it. Are they just repainting it? Haven't they given it a good launch? Anyway, might be going on Valhalla.
This has all been redeveloped because the fun house is here. We're going on that.
I'm not particularly sure I want to.
Yeah, come on. We'll only go away saying I wish I'd gone on that one.
I don't think I will because I don't think I like it.
Yeah, you'll be fine. We've got to do it, JK.
Look, Dad, it's Valhalla.
Oh yeah? Yeah, there used to be like a fun house.
Yeah. You say there used to be a fun house everywhere.
Yeah, but I'm trying to picture it, that's the thing. I'm trying to picture where it was. It was just near here, I'm sure it was there.
Look how short this queue is, Dad.
We'll find another little thing to go on.
Yeah, we've just been on a space thingy. What is it called? Space.
I don't know. That thing
Space.
over there.
Space launch.
Launchpad.
Launchpad, yeah. And it's quite a good ride, to be honest. It's
It's a lot of fun, isn't it? Don't put your fingers on that.
I'm not Dre in town, trying to. I'm guessing that's Grand National.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is actually.
They must be doing it up again because it's painted.
I'll have a look. Yes, the Grand National roller coaster at Pleasure Beach, Blackpool is. You'll be able to. Oh, it's going under maintenance and refurbishment. It's not going to make it any better then. It's just going to make it a bit more. What do you call it? I do find this park a bit strange sometimes. What do you mean there's a massive skull up there? Like, welcome to Alice in Wonderland. It's not even Alice in Wonderland, it's Alice's Wonderland. The best thing is though, I don't know if you can see it, I don't know if you specifically can see it, but there you go, you can see the big one, like just coming through these trees. Anyway. Hey guys, we're back. We are going on Icon. I am by myself this time because we did it before and my dad just started feeling sick after it. It's a bit of a, what do you call it? It is a bit of a sickly ride once you come off it, especially when you have to do all them like stairs after you've had all that adrenaline in your body, but it'll have to do. Watch this, it's gonna get a good launch. It's gonna get a good launch. Come on. Go on. I am 99% certain that is one of the best rides that I have ever been on. It is goated. You get on launch. I got the front row there. I am absolutely soaked now because it is raining very hard. Ooh. Going on the big one again. Going on the big one. Yeah. My throat really hurts. How many rides did I do again, Dad?
Quite a lot. Over 10.
So we did big one. We had a good time on the big one.
You
then
went
we did
3 times.
Yeah, I did. Well, not the best decision. Then I went on Revolution, then big one, then Revolution. Something like that, and then we went on.
That thing over there?
What? Oh, we went on a Big Dipper.
No, the mirrors.
Oh yeah, mate, that don't count as a ride then.
Then on this twice.
Big Dippers, Launchpad twice, so that's.
Then on that ghost thing.
7. Yeah, 8.
And then we went to You went on
Icon.
Icon, and I went on Icon.
Yeah.
Then you went on it again.
Yeah.
And then you went on the Revolution again.
Yeah.
And then we went
On the toboggan. And then
And then you went on Icon.
I went on Icon. So that's 13 rides today.
13 rides, that's fucking good value.
Bear in mind, we stopped for dinner at some point and it wasn't very busy. It was actually lovely. It was a lovely day and I've had a great day. My throat hurts so bad, but
I'm not sure you're pointing at that.
I don't know. I'm actually so tired. We're heading out. It's always a sorry sight when you see the sides of the theme park. It means you're walking out. But doesn't mean we haven't had a good day. So, gonna review every coaster we've been on today. So yeah, review on. Let's do it in order that we went on them.
Do you want to do it in the car?
No. We'll do them now. We're walking home because we may as well. So,
Video stabilisation on it,
yeah, I realised. So we got big one. We did that one first. I'm gonna go over my 3 attempts because we did it 3 times.
Beautiful.
I did, yeah. Dad only did it 2 times. But we went and we went on it first time. Very hyped. I was very scared though. And it was very good. It was one of the best rides there. You can only do it once though, because the second time hurt my shoulder, hurt my back. Just didn't have a great time. It's really choppy now. I don't know how it was like in the olden days. I'm not particularly old, so. Third time I decided to go on it because the queue was really tiny. And it was just worse. It just grew my back pain. But yeah, where did I go next? Revolution. No, the big one. 3rd best ride there. It's just crazy. It's a crazy ride. You can only ride it once there. Like for the time that you're there, I guess. Second ride we went on Revolution. Great ride. 2nd best ride there. It's short, simple. It's great. You go literally launch, down, loop, up, and then backwards. The same thing. It's extremely fast and it's extremely fun. I think it's my dad's favourite ride, isn't it? What do you call it?
Revolution.
Yeah. My 2nd favourite. It's great. I got to sit on the front row of it the 3rd time I went on it. Front row, definitely better because it's like the back row when you're going backwards, obviously. So, yeah. It's like the back row. What else? Then we went back on the big one. Then what did we do after the big one again? Went on. We were just talking about it. Big one. Oh yeah, then Revolution again.
Mate, I'm listening.
Then we went on that space show one as well. We had dinner after them 2. No, after them 4. We had dinner. Had a lovely. Oh no, we went on the horse one as well. That's 14.
Oh yeah.
Them horses.
That's where we went after the big one.
They're good. They're very rough, but
What was the spaceship one?
they're good fun. The one.
Launch pad.
It's space. It's supposed to be about space, Dad.
Yeah, no, it's called launch pad though.
Yeah. Then we went Launchpad. No, we went Revolution after that, and then we went to Launchpad because we wanted to go look at Valhalla, but we didn't go on it today, as you can see, because I'm clearly not soaked. But yeah, we were in Valhalla. It was great. No, we didn't go on Valhalla. We went on.
Go to Valhalla.
We were right next to it there. We went to that launching thing. It launches. It's very short. I felt a bit like Katy Perry because I was only up there for 2 seconds. It was great though. It's short but sweet.
Banging into me all
So,
the time.
what did we do after that? We went on Icon.
No, we didn't.
What did we do?
We went on that ghost ride. We forgot that one as well.
Oh yeah, the ghost ride. So we did 15. I hated that one.
We went in the mirrors thing.
I'm not quite at the ride though.
Wait in the mirrors thing, and then the ghost ride.
Yeah, the mirror thing, it was great.
We also went to, you've missed another one out, the Wallace and Gromit.
Oh yeah, we went on, but yeah, we did the mirror thing.
It's about 17 things you went on.
It was great, it was very good. It was a bit strange. I liked it. It's just not exactly a roller coaster. So, then we went on that stupid ghost, I think it's called Ghost Train. That was okay. Wasn't the greatest.
You liked it.
I did not like it. You could quite clearly see I did not like it. It's the oldest ride there. No, Grand National is. Is it? Grand National will be
I went on the
older.
Big Dipper as well.
Yeah, we did. We went on Big Dipper, so that's 19. But yeah, we went on.
See what I mean about how close we are to the tower?
Yeah,
We haven't even gone past McDonald's yet.
went on Wallace and Gromit. That was good. That was very good.
That was very good.
Oh no, that was after. All of this was after we went on Big Dipper. Didn't like it. Too rickety. I know it's an old one, but it's not an oldie but goodie because it's not goodie. Then we went on Wallace and Gromit. Lovely, lovely. It was just. It covered all of the episode plots. It was really nice. They were very good. Then we went on Icon. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Went on Icon. Dad hates it. I love it. Best ride there. Got it? Nah. No way. And then what did we do after? We went on. Dad was not having any more of the Icon, so I went on Icon again.
I had too much when I went on the first time.
Yeah. He just sat there in Burger King, and I went on Icon again all by myself. Sat in the front row. Lovely time. I am hungry. Yeah.
Go in here.
Okay.
The ghost got bigger.
Oh dear. Sorry I couldn't finish my review. I'm too tired now. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. All night, whichever one. Have a good sleep if it's night time. Go to sleep. I know you are doom scrolling. Go to sleep.
Go to bed.
Good night.